Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to color beautiful cartoons. Are you ready? Let's start it. Can you guess what it is? Right, it is a monkey. Let's start to color it with gray color for the body. Let's start with the arms, the leg, like here too, another arm and leg, and the head, the ears, the ear here, and the tail. Now we use black color for the nose and the eyes. And we use white color for the body, the face, and the eyes. The hand and the leg. And we use brown color to color the stone. Another light brown for the land, the soil, and green for the grass. And another green for the land. And for the background we use blue color. Okay, now let's do coloring other character. Ready? Let's start it. Can you guess what it is? The leg, the body, the face. Yes, it is a cat. Yes, brown color for the leg. The rear leg. The body. The head, ear, I use brown color for the ear, and the tail. Now we use orange color for this part of the face, the body. We use red color for the mouth, we use black color for the nose and the eyes. Pretty, right? Now we color the background. Sorry, we color the eyes. And for the background we use green color. beautiful, right? Okay, that is good. Okay guys, that's all for now. See you for the next coloring. Bye bye.